Meet today's trotting trekkers. Sprinkles the sloth, a slow-talking detective with a secret adrenaline addiction. Pip the parrot, a melodramatic gossip who narrates everything, including his own mistakes. Gloop the glow-in-the-dark frog, a literal walking nightlight with a knack for awkward truths. Quill the pangolin, a shy armor-plated baker obsessed with perfect cupcakes. Act 1. The setup. The gang stumbles into Sunday Desert, where the legendary Vanilla Volcano, a mountain that erupts edible ice cream lava, has mysteriously stopped flowing. Townsfolk, a herd of anxious alpacas, beg, "Fix it or we'll have no toppings for Taco Tuesday." Act 2. Chaos and twists. Investigating, Gloop accidentally licks the volcano and floats. Turns out the vanilla is actually alien marshmallow gas. Pip's dramatic reenactment of the crisis triggers a cactus avalanche. Quill shields everyone with her armored rolls, but her cupcake tray is crushed. Cue existential crisis. Sprinkles discovers the culprit, Chef Waddle, a rogue penguin siphoning vanilla to create a world-dominating dessert empire. "You'll never stop my sprinkle-pocalypse," he cackles. Act 3. Resolution. Quill challenges Waddle to a bake-off. Her friendship frosting versus his doom donuts. Gloop rigs the volcano to erupt rainbow sprinkles, distracting Waddle long enough for Sprinkles to drop him into a molten fudge pit. He's fine. It's pudding. Conclusion. The volcano erupts, unicorn swirl, soft serve. The alpacas throw a taco party, and Quill rebuilds her cupcake tray, with Waddle as her reluctant sous chef. "Revenge is sweet," he grumbles, whisking batter.